Hello guys, it's me, Mike. But no, not Mike. I forgot to read script. Human from People Playground. Anyways, today's episode we are going to be cooking this Gorse I literally knocked out with a syringe. Guys, so take your syringe out of him. Wait for him to literally wake up. Wake up. I said wake up. Wake the hell up. Well, first you gotta kill it, I guess. This. And then you're gonna literally have to rip its wings off. Oh no. Thank goodness, I can literally freeze time somehow. Just to attach a Gorse to something and then rip off its limbs one by one. I know this can see. I think I knocked him out. Alright, anyways, you're gonna have to rip off its limb one by one. It's starting to look a bit cold now. So that's why this is giving me a bit. This one more one to rip off. What? Boom. There we go. So now we're gonna want to literally go to the heater we literally bought from a little dangerous store. So then you're gonna move its dead corpse there, and then of course you're gonna want to make your way. I know, very good at parkour, right? So anyways, you're going to want to press the button. Well, is it activated? Whatever. It's heating up, I guess. Just give it a bit. Just hurry up, it's getting cold. Now, if that doesn't work, use your weapon you literally have, called the heat ray. Of course, hold it there for about how long as you want, and the more longer you have it there, the more crispy it is. So of course, use your wire from Walmart that you just got, and press your button. Press the button. It'll start making it warm. Press. Yummy. And boom, there you go. You're warm as heck, thing. And then you're going to want to literally break one of the thing thanks to a Magnum revolver. And then you're going to want to drop it in there to make it extra yummy. Now use a stick just to make sure it's good to eat. Wood stick. Well, it is officially good to eat, so get this out. Oh god. Oh. Well, whatever. Get your warm, yummy, toasty stuff. It's every time. Oh my god. Well, then you're gonna want to get your tray you got from Walmart. table. Scheiße. Literally drag the burnt corpse to the plate and boom, you are done. Now enjoy your cooked thing while I have a since I have 3rd-degree burns. Now thank you guys for watching. Probably 5 likes for this. I'll make a part 2 type. Bye. Wait, wrong thing.